sa Balitang Express.
President Duterte bumata kasi na daw Sen.Sotto sa maling resolusyon na ginawa nito. Panoorin ang pahayag ng ating Pangulo sa video ito.
Discuss this with anybody. Though I respect highly of Trump, and if that was a political move by the senators to win the Filipino votes there, I'm telling the Filipino now, you are getting the best of deal with Trump. Kaya dyan sa leftist ang Obama was a leftist. Halos ibigay na lang nila yung expense sa ibang tao. To the Filipinos, if you perchance lumabas ito, bumoto kayo kay Trump. And they say that I am interfering. Of course, I'm interfering. Tell that to the Americans. That Duterte is insisting in interfering. Alam mo bakit? Do you know why I'm interfering? Can anybody answer my question? Kasi sila ang nag-una. Kung ano-anong extrajudicial killing. Tapos 70,000. Saan nakalibing yung 20,000? Na mag-head count kami doon sa... Kung may matay dyan na binaril. Extrajudicial killing. Kita mo, bumaba na ngayon ang droga, at least. Hindi na takot mag-uwi yung mga tao sa bahay nila. I have returned the streets to the people. Kasi yung public places are intended for law-abiding citizens. And if it is na hindi na makauwi ang mga bata, takot na, and they are nervous, especially the working girls, mga sales girls dyan sa mga mall. Alam mo ba ang buhay ng... Alam mo ba ang buhay niya mga yan? Mag-abot yan ng bahay nila mga alas 11, alas 12. Maglaba pa yan. Magluto ng pagkain. Para kinabukasan. Matulog yan, 2-3 oras. Gigising yan, bihisan yung mga bata, ihatod sa... Tapos, barabarahin mo pa ng... para lang sa Cebu. Patayin mo isang tao. Yung sa Davao, check it out. You have your stations there. May pinatay na diyan sa squatters area sa Boulevard. She was the parang supervisor ng itong gym ng babae. So she had to be early. Pagdaan niya sa isang bahay, dinamput lang siya sa loob. Nahulog yung pagkain niya, mainit pa. Yung mga babae na yan, or anybody for that matter, similarly situated. Yan ang nila. Mayroon silang kanin, magbili lang sila sa ulam, isang ulam sa labas. Tapos pag uwi sa gabi, patayin mo pa.
Mr. President, Ms. Joyce Bulancia of DZMM will ask her question.
Good evening, Mr. President. Your presidential security group is they said that they will be implementing a no-touch policy on you. But earlier, we saw you shaking hands with some cabinet members as well as other people present here. Does that mean you do not want that policy?
Ah, correct.
Why, sir?
I want an embrace. Why only a handshake? Kulang yan. Maniwala kayo, PCG, tapos sila, sige, gakos-gakos ng babae, tapos, why, do you think Panelo is not holding the hands of the women, you know?
So you don't see the need, Mr. President, to follow such protocol?
Kalukuhan niya. Putol-putol. I will shake hands. Anak, ilang kong bang sinasabi na sa iyo na kung tawagin na ako ng Diyos ngayon, oras na ito, pupunta na ako. Tapos na ako. Naging presidente na ako. Pinakamataas na maabot ng isang tao. Mga anak ko, okay na.
But sir, how about your public appearances? I believe your partner, Ms. Hanelet, is also urging you to avoid going to public, crowded places, also to avoid being affected with COVID-19.
Trabaho ko yan eh. Kanat. Pera na lang kung yung mga participants sila matakot. Ako, tatanungin ko sila, matakot pala kayo mamatay. Buti sana kung mayaman.
So,
wala man kami pera.
So, Mr. President, you will not be declining invitations to events that's supposed to happen in crowded?
No, I will not decline invitations.
Okay.
I will shake hands with everybody. I am going to Mindanao to visit my dead soldiers, if they are still there, and to congratulate my warriors.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Matayan ako, apat na sundalo ko.
Mr. President, Ms. Tricia Terada of CNN Philippines will ask the last question for the night.
Hi, President. Good evening. Sir, back on COVID-19, we still have low water supply, but then the DOH is also requesting the public to observe proper hygiene. How can we do this, sir? Especially for the poor communities na priority po nila makabili ng pagkain over buying sanitary supplies. How are we going to reconcile, sir, our problem with low water supply and this encouragement or message from DOH?
I am not an economist, but Secretary Lopez is here. But it would take a discussion of how it works. Ano lang yan, the law of supply and demand first.
No, sir, how about yung water supply, sir? Any assurance, sir, na magkakaroon tayo ng stable water supply, especially, sir, in poor communities?
I am forcing the issue, yung dam sa Kaliwa, Wawa. Because if I do not do it in the next 2 years, magpalasot, ang mayor ng presidente ng Pilipinas, papatayin, pang-apat ngayon galing sa akin, papatayin ng Pilipino kasi walang tubig. I will force the issue. And I will battle with them in court. And I hope that the judges and the justices would understand. Talagang hindi rin ako magpapigil. Kasi kung magpapigil ako, wala kayong tubig. Yung apo ninyo. Pipilitin ko talaga yan. I will force the issue. I said I will fight all the way.
Sir, but at least for this year or for the time that we are fighting COVID-19, can we assure the public that there will be enough water supply?
Meron yan.
At siya ang ating balita. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagsubaybay. Ito ang Balitang Express.